Hi guys. So you guys know Umaki, the Shapa Queen. So I came across her post on Facebook talking about how her 38-year-old helper has been sexually violating or sexually violated her 14-year-old son. Guys, abantu sebegula indlela ephi nangoku. And you know what's disturbing is that a lot of people believe but it's all for content. Guys, ingathi nowadays a lot of things are all for content because imali kamaki iyafunwa. But I don't think there's a mom who would go that far. You know, let us go through the screenshot as posted. So apha a follower is commenting into yobana uthola ukuthi uyagula nayo gogo na 38 umakhe aphendule into yobana yes she is. How could a 38-year-old woman sleep with a 14-year-old Mara? Yo, that's not sleeping, Sam. That's rape. That child was violated. Justice will be served for my son. We pray that it does. Heading to police station, Manini is sick. How can she do this to my shy son? Yeah, this is every parent's worst nightmare. They're transferring their sicknesses to children. That's the thing with sick people. They have a thing with kids. And then apha-ke I think umakhe besebalisa bakwenzeke ntoni. Guys, this is painful. This is really sad. You know, this is really sad and ibuhlungu. And uyazi enye into endicingayo, uphiwe umsebenzi. You were praying for a job. You are welcomed into this family. You are welcomed to be part of this family. Uhlala nabo. And then when wenza something so evil. A 14-year-old